First, you can see the filler cap on the top of the machine. Rotate to open the filler port and add 46 #hydraulic oil. The side hydraulic level gauge can display the oil level. Insert a foot switch interface at the bottom of the electrical cabinet. Insert the 3-phase power cable through the bottom wiring hole and connect the power cable and PE grounding wire. Turn on the power switch and check the phase sequence relay. If the indicator light is green, the phase sequence is correct. If the indicator light illuminates at the wrong phase position, it means the phase sequence is incorrect. You need to go back to the 3-phase power line, disconnect the power, and swap the phase sequence of any 2 wires in the 3-phase power supply, then rewire. Make sure to disconnect the power before rewiring. After confirming the phase sequence is correct, press the reset button. When the green light goes out, it indicates that the reset was successful. If the reset fails, check that all emergency stop buttons are in the pop-up position and that both safety doors are closed. Also check that the photoelectric switches are not obstructed. Next, operate the system operation panel. Click on the oil pump. Once the oil pump starts, it will turn red, indicating that it is in the startup state. Then click the icon and the machine will automatically perform parameter lookup. If the Y-axis is not at the bottom after powering on, but at the top, you need to click the knife button and press the foot switch to slowly lower the Y-axis before parameter retrieval can begin. Otherwise, parameter retrieval will fail. Once the Y-axis is in position, turn off the knife button. Click the icon to start parameter lookup. After the machine finishes finding the parameters, you can make the corresponding settings to bend.